Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Bibori Classes. Today I am going to discuss about PhD entrance examination questions of Guwahati University, which was held on November 28, 2021. Here we go. The first question is, equality of educational opportunities is possible by extending portals of educational institution to all without any discrimination, opening more educational institutions, privatizing the education system in the country, public funding of education. And the correct answer will be number A. Extending portals of educational institution to all without any discrimination. So number A will be correct. The second question is, children of some minority communities are unable to fully participate in Indian educational institution because minority communities have not been spending on education of their children. There is exclusion process in educational institution. Minority communities lack faith in Indian education system. Indian educational institutions do not have required infrastructure. And the correct answer will be the number B. There is exclusion process in educational institutions. Next, which of the following is an incorrect pair? Number A, sign theory of learning, Tolman. That one is correct. Field theory of learning, Kurt Lewin. This one also correct. Social learning theory, Brunner. Brunner is not a socialist. He was a cognitive and educational psychologist. And number D, trial and error theory of learning, Thorndike. This one is correct. So here the question has been asked that which one is incorrect pair. Then the answer will be number C, social learning theory, Brunner. And number 4, the Rorschach-Inkblot test consists of. Now, this question is known by everyone. That will be number C, 5 black and white and 5 multicolor cards. Now, number 5, if Ram is taller than Mohan and Mohan is taller than Sohan, Ram is the tallest. This statement comes under which type of reasoning? Number A, inductive reasoning, deductive reasoning, linear reasoning, and conditioned reasoning. The reasoning is given step by step, like Ram is taller than Mohan and Mohan is taller than Sohan. Ram is the tallest. Then the answer will be number C, linear reasoning. Number 6, which of the following is not a measure of dispersion? The answer will be mode, number B. Number 7, the difference between a statistical average based on the entire population and the one based on a sample is known as standard error, mean difference, sampling error, mean deviation. The answer will be sampling error. Now, this statement has given by things as they are and as they are likely to be encountered in life rather than words was the slogan of who said this? This slogan was said by realist. That is number B. The Vedas teach us that creation is without beginning, creation is without an end, creation is without beginning and without end. Creation has a definite beginning and also an end. The answer will be number C, creation is without beginning and without end. Which of the following is not categorized as a probability sampling method? Which one is not a probability sampling method? As we know, the probability samplings like simple random sampling, stratified sampling, systematic sampling, and cluster sampling. And here it has been asked that not categorized as a probability sampling. Then the answer will be number B, purposive sampling. Purposive sampling is a non-probability sampling. Number 11, according to Sankhya philosophy, the sequence of creation is as under. Number A, Purusha, Prakriti, Ahankar, Mahat. Prakriti, Purusha, Ahankar, Mahat. Prakriti, Purusha, Mahat, Ahankar. Purusha, Prakriti, Mahat, Ahankar. And the correct answer will be number D, Purusha, Prakriti, Mahat, and Ahankar. Number 12, development language in children according to B.F. Skinner is the result of. Training in grammar, imitation and reinforcement, innate abilities, maturation. The correct answer will be number B, imitation and reinforcement. Who propounded self-theory of personality? Who propounded? Kretschmer, Allport, Eysenck, Roger. The answer will be number D, Carl Roger. Number 14. Archimedes found the solution of his problem when he was in his bathtub. This will come under which step of process of creativity? Preparation, incubation, illumination, verification. The answer will be illumination. Nihar fails in the examination and attributes his failure to the framing of the faulty question paper. Which defense mechanism does he use? Projection, compensation, identification, rationalization. The answer will be number D, rationalization. Number 16. Which of the following variants is not controlled or manipulated in a research design? Options like variance of independent variable, variance of dependent variable, variance of extraneous variable, and error variance. The answer will be number B, variance of dependent variable. Dependent variable is not controlled or manipulated. We cannot control dependent variable. Number 17. Which of the following is not a criterion for a statement of a good research problem? Expression of relationship between or among variables, clarity and unambiguousness, possibility of empirical testing, possibility of use of statistical analysis. The correct answer will be number D, possibility of use of statistical analysis. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Achievement test, content validity, aptitude test, predictive validity, reasoning test, content validity, personality test, concurrent validity. The answer will be number C, reasoning validity, that is content validity. An investigator wants to study the vocational aspiration of visually challenged children in a wide geographical area. He should select his sample by using simple random sampling, stratified sampling, purposive sampling, convenient sampling, and the correct answer will be number C, purposive sampling. Number 20. The distribution of a large number of means based on samples of the sample size selected from the same population is known as normal distribution, sampling distribution, standard distribution, rectangular distribution, and the correct answer will be number B, sampling distribution. Two variables x and y are correlated. This means that the two variables cause variation in each other, measure the same trait, vary together, vary independently. The answer will be number C, vary together. Which of the following thinkers said, literacy itself is not education. Literacy is only a means to education. This was said by number D, Mahatma Gandhi. Boys and girls perform equally well in a numerical aptitude test. This statement indicates that directional hypothesis, research hypothesis, null hypothesis, none of these. The answer will be number C, null hypothesis. Which is true? It is only the null hypothesis that can be tested. It is only the alternative hypothesis that can be tested. Both null and alternative hypothesis can be tested. Both the null and alternative hypothesis cannot be tested. The answer will be number A. It is only the null hypothesis that can be tested. Number 25. In case the population of research is heterogeneous in nature, which of the following sampling techniques will ensure optimum representativeness of sample units? Simple random sampling, stratified sampling, cluster sampling, systematic sampling. Then answer will be number B, stratified sampling. Father of sociology. The question is being asked, who is the father of sociology? That is Auguste Comte. Also, the question is being asked like first education minister of independent India, that is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Karl Marx is related with Marxism. And also has been asked the full meaning of ABC, that is Academic Bank of Credit. ICSSR, that is Indian Council of Social Science Research. Full meaning of SWAYAM, study web of active learning for young aspiring mind. Parakh is a performance assessment, review and analysis of knowledge for holistic development. Who developed attitude scale for the first time? That is Thurston. How many chromosomes in human body? 23 chromosomes. Apex body of National Education Policy, that is Higher Education Commission of India. Chairman of NEP 2020, that everybody knows the answer, that is Dr. Kasturi Ranjan. YESPEL committee report gave suggestion on renovation and rejuvenation of higher education. 4-year B.Ed course of NEP 2020 is to achieve by this 2030. Psychologists who studied behavior systematically, that is J.B. Watson, and who advocated for the first time the science of behavior, that is also J.B. Watson. And many of the questions are being asked in PhD entrance examination. If you remember any question, please do comment in the comment section. And if you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. And also you can share to your friends who appeared for the same. Thank you for watching my channel. That's all for today.